Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. Today we're going to be replacing some lines. And he had issues where there was a split in here. So we're going to go ahead and replace all this. We're going to put on new ball valves and go ahead and get going here. First thing we want to do is go ahead, because there is water in the pool, we want to plug this and we want to plug the skimmer. So we'll go ahead and take that out, get the plug in. You gotta unscrew that right there. Alright, so we got that out. Now we're gonna put our plug in. Alright, so the plug's in there. So what we'll do, we'll replace this line first. We'll go ahead and turn the ball valves here. That way we don't have water flow coming in.
Now it's at 83.
See? Told you. Alright. So it's working? Alright, we're going to go ahead and cut the lines here. We're going to clean up this. Alright, so we're going to clean this out. Put some primer in there. Run some glue in there. Run some glue around here. And we're going to put that on. Give it a little turn. Here's the old piece. Get this out of the way. Over here. And we're going to clean this off, prime it. Exactly. Prime this in there. Some glue on here. Some glue up in here. Get that in. Give it a little turn. Now we got to figure out our bends and stuff we want to do here. And what we're probably going to do, we're going to remove it from here and then put in a new elbow. And then we'll have the ball valve come off of here. See my big set of pliers?
Those?
Yep, the ones right next to me.
Yep.
And just go slowly with these because it's plastic, you don't want to break it. Just go nice and slow and you'll get it off. Get it loose enough. There you go. And that should spin right out of there. All right, and one of the the thread. All right. So you want to Teflon tape it, and then get some pipe compound on there. That way it seals up nice and good. You don't have to worry about leaks. All right, so you want to hand tighten it in there as much as you can. And then you're gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Just slow turns. You don't need to crank it on. Remember, everything's plastic. All right, so that's on there nice and tight. So we'll cut a piece to go in between here. We'll cut two smaller pieces to go like that. And then that way we can connect it right up like that. Sound good? So we'll prime this up. Prime this. Got our glue on here. Some glue in there. And you want to put it in and give a little twist, just like that. Prime this end. You want to prime your elbow. Some glue on here. Some glue in there. Get that in, and then give it a little twist, just like that. Go ahead and put the blocks back underneath there. So we'll go ahead and prime this. Prime this piece. Some glue on here. Some glue in here. Get that in there. Give it a little twist. And we want to prime this piece. I'm going to prime this, and then some glue in here, some glue on here, there we go. Alright, so that's all hooked up now. So now we want to bring this into here, so we'll cut it right about here. There we go. All right, we'll prime inside of here. And then we'll prime this. And get some glue inside of here. Some glue on here. And get that on there like that. Plug. Put this back in. Here, that's back in there now. All right, so now we can move on to the other one. That works.
Yep.
That's enough for me to get it off. Alright, so I'm gonna take this off, put a new one on.
Seem like they're a little heavier duty than the ones that Ron does.
Yeah. That's what I have on my pool and use on everything. There. All right, so we'll do another internal. All right, hand tight, and then we'll tighten it up with the wrench. Remember, it's plastic, so go easy on it. You don't want to break anything.
Yeah, it's definitely nice to have a place to go to.
Yeah. All right, so we got that on there now. So now we got to cut this line. I'll just take this whole thing off. There we go. Go ahead and prime the inside. Prime this. Some glue on here. Some glue in here. Put it on. Give it a little twist. Go for it. Prime this up. And some glue on here. A little twist. This piece ready. Quick prime. Prime. Some glue on there. Some glue up in here. And a little turn. Now over here, got prime in there. Prime this end. Some glue on here. Some glue in here. Alright, so one thing left to do is unplug that, let some water in, we'll turn around and see how she does. All right, so we got the new ball valve in, all new stuff, all new lines, new ball valve and 90 over here. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the power. And as you can see, it's already full of water. So we'd notice if there's any leaks right away, which I don't see any, but we're gonna go ahead and kick it on and check from there. Hit the switch. There it goes.